Miniverse fans, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you some of the Miniverse Make It Mini lifestyle collection. These are super cute and is actually what got me into Miniverse in the first place. Seeing the little hummingbird feeder, the little bird feeders, bird bath, I just absolutely love these, and it's why I'm making these videos and here with you for this channel. Out of this one, I am hoping to get the Warbler bird bath, which I think is featured on the front here. Also maybe the orchid. I have, as you can see, the Baby's Breath trio in the back. So I've already made that one. And potentially the Blue Jay bird feeder. So really excited to be with you today and make these. So let's jump into it and see what we got. right, so we successfully made the lifestyle series, and this was so much fun. I loved working with the monstera. I think that the little pot that it comes in is just super adorable. And I also loved that I was able to successfully pick up the cardinal and the warblers, as well as the blue jay. I have to say the blue jay was probably the most challenging for me. It took me a long time to figure out how to put the nut butter inside both the bottom and on the pine cone. It took me a little bit. I was being very, very careful, trying to not get everything all over my kitchen counter. But we were able to do it. It was great. I overall just, really excited with how everything turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and seeing some of the new lifestyle series. And maybe, head to Target, see if they have them, and get crafting. So thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you liked it. I enjoyed making it, and we'll be back next time with more adventures in Hapster.